Hello there, this is a quick review of this mini printer I got from Amazon. It's pretty easy to use. As you can see, it's here already working. I've been testing for some time. It's pretty good and pretty easy to use. You just need the printer and your cell phone. As you can see here, you have a place that you can charge the printer. It comes with some charge, but you can also charge. And here you see the LED that indicates that's on. Here, just turn it on. And here you just press to open and insert the paper. Okay, so here there's a paper that comes with the printer. You can buy extra ones like I have here, for example. Let me just show you that I have some extra paper. You can buy it with more paper if you want, just like this one and this one. Okay, so extra paper, and here's the cable to charge your mini printer. So pretty easy to use. There's a manual with instructions. And here my cell phone. Let me just bring it here so you can see that I need to just have the paper here in place, close the printer, and then I can use my cell phone here with this app that I can download from the Apple Store or from the Android store if you have Android. Click here, and then it connects with the printer. The first time you just launch the app, it's gonna find the printer. As long as you have the printer on and you have your Bluetooth on, it's going to find it, and it's pretty easy. It works like this, right? Then it finds the printer. You see here, I have a T02, that's the one. And here's green because it found the printer here, right? And you can find more printers here. I just have one, but this software can work with more printers. This app works with more printer. And here you can print your notes, images, templates. Templates is very interesting because you have different ways to print stuff that you want. Here you can just select a template. There's greeting cards, the fun templates. You can also write stuff here, and then you can print. So pretty interesting and pretty easy to use as well. You have to-do list and stuff like this, frames. Remember that you can always write something here and then you can print. And it prints in black and white. There is no color. Schedules can also print, business card. And remember that the paper here, you can't stick somewhere that you want to, right? Because you can just remove it from here. There's a sticker, and you can stick it. So pretty easy to use. Let me just show you here. Print image. Then I can select photo editing, for example. Then I can select something here from my library. Just pick one here, and then I can print. Let's get this one. Here we go. You can edit your picture here. There's things here you can cut, and you can use filters, things like that. And when you're ready to go, just click here on print, and you see that's black and white. And then you hit print here. And you see, it starts printing here immediately, right? There's an indication here that's printing, and that says the printing is complete. And here we go. Ready to go. Very, very easy, okay? Then you can just hold it here and remove it from that way, right? So pretty easy. I've been using this for some time. I like it and I recommend it.